Hi everyone, welcome back to book critique number 2. My feature book for this book critique set is The Magician's Nephew. This is a prequel to the well-known story of The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, and is also part of the Chronicles of Narnia series. This book focuses on how Narnia came into existence. I chose this book to be my feature book because it is a great adventure story for both boys and girls to read, and it has many implicit Christian elements. If you are not in a Christian or Catholic school, it is still a great book to use because it is a fun adventure book and it is a great piece of literature regardless of the Christian elements. My first lesson is a 7th grade reading literature assignment. Students will have to contrast and compare the point of view of different characters. So what they will do in this lesson is go to Canva and do a compare and contrast activity. They'll make an infographic with one side being the point of view of Diggory and Polly, and the other side will be the point of view of Uncle Andrew. And they will take different parts of the story during the part where Aslan is creating Narnia, and they will explain the different points of view, like this link. As you can see on the left, I have the point of view of Diggory and Polly, and on the right, I have Uncle Andrew's point of view. So, the second lesson I have is a 6th grade writing assignment, where students will have to explain in a well-written essay the relationship between the creation of Narnia and the creation of the world in the book of Genesis in the Bible. This would be great for a Christian or Catholic school. And the prompt for this essay is explain how the creation of Narnia and the actions of Diggory and Jadis are similar and or different from the creation story in Genesis and the actions of Adam, Eve, and the serpent. This will really help students with their writing skills and help them explain their thoughts clearly and have a good intro and conclusion. The second book in this set is This Is Not My Hat. This is a humor fiction picture book, and it's about a tiny fish who is wearing a blue hat that he stole from a large fish, and it shows the reaction of the big fish to his hat being stolen. This is just a fun book for younger grades, and it has, it really tells a story through images along with words. The next book is The Lucky Broken Girl, and this is a multicultural coming-of-age book, and it is actually based on the childhood of the author. It is about her immigrating to the United States, specifically in New York City, and about her trying to achieve the American dream. This is a great book for 5th grade because it is a chapter book, and it has good perspective on what life would be like for an immigrant coming to the States. The next book is one of my favorite storybooks from my childhood, and it is Knuffle Bunny, A Cautionary Tale by Mo Willems. It is a realistic picture book, and it is about a dad who takes his child to the laundromat, and the child has a stuffed animal bunny, and the stuffed bunny is left at the laundromat, and when the child realizes this, chaos arises. The next book is A Snowy Day, and it is about a boy named Peter waking up on a snowy day, and he wants to go out and play with older kids, but he is too young to participate in a snowball fight, so he has to find other activities to do in the snow. This is great for young kids to give them a sense of how to create their own fun when they may not be included. The next is another one of my favorites. It's Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type. This is a great, funny book about Farmer Brown and his cows who find a typewriter in the barn and then proceed to write letters to Farmer Brown, making all kinds of crazy and ridiculous demands. This is a fun, entertaining book, and it's very imaginative and creative for younger children. The next one is called Clementine, and it is about a girl who's 8 years old, and she's got a very fiery personality, and most of the time all of the time her intentions are good. But she finds herself being sent to the principal's office over and over again for lack of cooperation in the classroom. This is a good chapter book for young girls especially, and it really portrays how to overcome misunderstandings. The last book is called Her Right Foot by Dave Eggers. It's a historical picture book, and this is a great book for second and third graders about the Statue of Liberty and the significance and importance of it. And it focuses on Lady Liberty's leg and foot in motion and how it says or means how she is on the move to greet immigrants and visitors coming to America. Thank you.